This tutorial will explore academic video online, a database of over 68,000 titles covering a wide variety of academic subjects. Once you are on the Academic Video Online homepage, there are a few ways to find content that might be useful. If you have a specific video in mind, simply use the search bar. For example, I will search for the Geography of Hope. When I click on the result, it will take me to the video player. If you do not have a specific video in mind, there are other ways to find content. One strategy includes using the filter options provided. To begin, click on the filter icon. This brings up several filters you might use, including subject, publisher, person, content type, language, and release date. You can choose filters from one or multiple categories. After you choose one filter, the category box will allow you to narrow your topic further. For example, I may know that I'm interested in videos related to social science. When I choose this filter, it brings up multiple, narrower subjects, such as media studies, and then media studies can be narrowed further to cover only the 2000s and so on. Let's say I know I want to find something relating to music. I will clear these previous filters, and from there I can search within the subject box or select a filter from the options listed. I'll select the classical music subject filter. Let's also say I want it to be a lecture or a presentation. I can choose that filter as well. From here, I might choose a video that sounds relevant to my topic to test out. Let's start with this one. Once you've selected a video, Academic Video Online provides built-in tools to make the most of the content. The video player features audio and captioning controls, as well as playback time and scrolling functions. There are several other functions as well. Most of the videos come with a transcript. This can be useful if you're looking for the usage of a particular phrase or known portion of the video. For example, in this video, I might want to hear portions that focus specifically on the flute. I can search for flute in the search bar, and this brings up 6 results I can choose from. These navigation arrows search through the results. Additionally, clicking on the highlighted text will bring me to that portion of the video. Other video player options include Details, which gives you an abstract or brief summary of the video, along with some basic production information. Clips will allow you to make smaller individual portions of the video. Share allows you to embed video in a learning management system like D2L, and it also provides a permalink for the video. You can click on either of these copy buttons and simply paste in your desired end destination. And finally, the Cite option allows you to choose a citation tool appropriate for your topic of study and either copy the citation or export it directly into a citation management system.